Hi, my name is Lenka and I would like to share with you one biggest challenge that people face when they want to open a completely new cycle in their life. So when people want to open a new cycle in their life that will bring them some positive changes, that will make them fulfilled and happy, there are often a lot of questions. Like, how do I get through all the clutter and find the right directions? How do I get clarity on what I want to see in my life, what I want to create in my life? And how do I fully commit to my ideas and goals over months? So in a nutshell, the biggest challenge people face is how do I find my priorities and set my goals so that I feel so motivated and inspired that I take consistent actions on those goals for months over and over. There are 3 steps that I'm going to share with you right now. You can start applying them immediately, or if you feel inspired, you can go deeper in my new online tutorial, Find Your Priorities and Set Your Goals. So step number 1, find the right priorities. And in order to do that, you need to look at your life at the moment, where it is right now, what the challenges are, and you need to look at what you want to see in the future. And you need to link these 2 things together in order to find the right priorities. When you create your priorities from the mix of your current life and your future life, you will be spot on. And on top of that, when you set your goals from these priorities, you will have a clear understanding how these goals will solve your current challenges. So there will be a strong motivation. When I did this process a couple of years ago, it was 1 year after I moved from the Czech Republic to Belgium. I just came back from my maternity leave to work, and I felt that I was missing on something in my life. I felt that I was not doing the right things at that very moment. I knew that I wanted to change something, but I didn't know exactly what. So after I have done this process of finding my priorities and setting my goals, suddenly everything felt so clear. I thought, well, these goals are absolutely spot on what I want to see in my life. And by doing this process, some amazing changes started happening in my life. I finally found a balance between work and between my personal life. I also started loving a job that I didn't enjoy that much at that time. I got a Sales Achievement Award. I got promoted. But the most important thing that happened was the feeling that I was driving my life in the right direction. So in my new tutorial, Find Your Priorities and Set Your Goals, I will guide you step by step through the process of identifying the right priorities and setting your goals. It will not take you days, it will not take you weeks, it will not take you months, it will take you just a couple of hours. Now, the second step, your goal needs to be formulated in a way that captures a deep purpose, a deep meaning, and a strong emotional pull towards your goals. The way how you formulate your goal needs to contain a strong why, of course. Why you want to achieve this goal, why you want to see these changes in your life. And you need to feel it, you need to see it in a way how your goal is formulated. And so in my tutorial, Find Your Priorities and Set Your Goals, I will provide you with 9 questions that will guide you through the process step by step so that you can come up with these amazing goals statements that will pull you forward over a couple of months. The step number 3 is to fully commit to your goals. This is going to be counterintuitive. One way how you can fully commit to your goals is to be very honest and open to yourself and write down what challenges could hold you back from going after your goals. When you have the courage and honesty to explore all the challenges that could hold you back, it will be easier to find ways how to go around them and also increase your own commitment to your goals. And in the tutorial, Find Your Priorities and Set Your Goals, I dedicated one full lesson on this activity. You will get another worksheet of 9 questions that will help you to go deeper, identify any obstacles, any challenges, and how to deal with them. So I hope this serves you. These are the 3 steps if you want to open a new cycle in your life, if you want to get super clear on your priorities and set right goals that will pull you forward over a couple of months. And again, if you feel inspired to go deeper, click on the button below, purchase my new tutorial, Find Your Priorities and Set Your Goals. I have a special offer for you for reduced price, which you can use until the end of the year, and then it will be gone. Maybe you are asking yourself a question. Will it work for me? Will I be able to find my priorities and set my goals even if I don't know where to go at this very moment? Well, it works for me, but it also works for my clients. I would like to share with you 2 examples. One of my clients came in his 40s. He was questioning himself and his career. He didn't see in his current job enough meaning, and he didn't see that he could make enough impact in his job. So he was asking himself, well, what shall I do? I want to really start something new, but shall I stay in my job or shall I quit? Well, 5 months after he set his goals, his life turned around. He got an award for all the contribution he did for the company. He finally got moving with his most important project. He saw a lot of purpose, excitement, and results in what he was doing. And mainly, the biggest thing he shared with me was, he said, I found my freedom. I took my freedom. I took my freedom where I didn't see that I could feel free. A second example is a 72-year-old client who retired from the corporate life 10 years ago. Even though he was out from this professional arena, he still had a strong desire to contribute to something bigger and to create something meaningful in his life. He had some ideas what he could do, but he was lacking energy and flow to move forward. When he set his goals, it gave him such a push and boost and motivation that he immediately started following the path of purpose in his life. So the big question is, of course, what are you going to get when you purchase this tutorial? Find your priorities and set your goals. Well, first thing, you will get an instant access to 4 lessons. These lessons will guide you through the whole process step by step. Every time you will have a worksheet which will guide you through the process, that will guide your thinking so that you can find the right priorities and set inspiring goals for yourself. So you will also get 2 bonuses on top of that. I really want to make sure that you have the right support and start a new cycle from the right beginning. So first bonus is access to a Facebook group. You can ask your questions there, you can share your insights, there will be like-minded people in the group that will support you. And I will be also checking the posts in this group, and I will be providing support and answering your questions. Second bonus is absolutely amazing. I decided to offer a free 1-hour coaching session. In that session, I'm going to support you with your goals. I'm going to help you to go deeper to your challenges that could prevent you from achieving these goals, and I will help you to find solutions, how to overcome these challenges and define next steps. So make sure that you use these bonuses as well.